It's very dirty. The real question is the starter gonna work? Son of a bitch. Screw you. Please work. Come on. There we go. I gotta do a nice service on this damn thing, so I got a fuel filter. I got... That's not for this car. I got sway bar end links. Got an air filter. I should also replace the thermostat, but I don't have the coolant, so yeah, we'll do that some other time. Yeah, much better. I don't think there's much coolant in there, oopsie, because of this leak here. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing's pissing coolant right out of the thermostat, right here. But I don't have any coolant, so can't do that today, and it's the holidays, so that sucks. I also gotta do the fuel filter because story time. Last week I got stranded with this thing, and I calculated the consumption and everything, and I was sure I was gonna do like 50 more kilometers with it, and I got stuck. I guess I ran out of fuel, and every time the gas tank's pretty empty, I go up a hill, it struggles to go. It's so slow. I think this thing's clogged because it's been sitting, and it's old, so probably this. I'm gonna replace it. It's pretty easy. Let's go. The fuel filter's right here. Pretty simple to get to. Just 2 bolts and one big one that holds the filter. But did I get the right one? Yes, I did indeed. All done, not too bad. Look at that underbody, oh man. It's so clean, it's literally brand new. Zero rust, it's all undercoated, so look at this. Perfect. I bet the starter's gonna suck ass again. Fuck you. Come on. Come on, 4 times the charm. No, 5. There we go. 3 to 5 times, then it works. Damn, that runs like shit. Fucking old Opels, goddammit. I hear a piece of shit arriving. It's a real piece of shit. There it is. It's a piece of shit. What do you know? You haven't seen this thing in a while. Look at it smoking. Nice. Today I was finishing up the service on the Daewoo. I did the spark plugs. Got new spark plugs because the old ones were kind of shit and they were kind of lean, weird, and it was still running weird, so I pulled off the rotor and the cap. Look at this mess, oh my god. No wonder this runs like shit. Like literally this crap fell out of the distributor, so this definitely needs a clean, possibly even replacing the whole rotor thing. It's pretty nasty, so I'll clean it and then I'll try again. Here it is, I cleaned out the distributor, but I think the cap is shot. It's a little better now that it's warmed up, but I can smell unburned fuel. I'm sure the spark is too weak, so that's gonna need replacing, because that was all I tried to clean off the contacts on the cap and it literally like started falling apart, so yeah. I need a new cap and then we'll continue this project. Off the highway, the stop, it was shaking violently, it wasn't going anywhere, and then I came over here and I smelled and I felt this, and I think the caliper seized because it's smoking and the wheel is hot like fire. Fucking piece of shit, god damn it. Here in my garage, I got some heat going on and analyzing the caliper. Look at all this brake dust on the wheel, Jesus Christ. Analyzing this. I've never seen this system before, but it appears these sliders right here are bone dry, full of crap, so obviously this doesn't move back and forth, so it gets clamped together and then you burn your disc and everything, so I guess I gotta smack this out. I've never done this, but we'll see. Here's the whole braking system disassembled, a pretty terrible system. There's like these caps on the back of the calipers right here, and inside are these sliding pins, just this top part of the pin. This is the slidey part, so we'll need to clean this, grease it up, put this back on. We need to sand down, clean these pins, grease them up again, and I guess clear the holes on the pads, make them nice, and lube them up, and then just throw everything back together and hopefully it's fine. I think the piston's not seized, it looks okay, but we'll try to push it back in. We'll see if it goes kinda easy. If it doesn't, maybe the caliper needs to be rebuilt, but that would suck, so put this junk back together. Got the caliper right here. I just used a ton of lube on everything, cleaned it up with this thing, some sandpaper, and hopefully this brake doesn't seize anymore, otherwise it may be a problem with the piston. I hope not. Got a nice little Saturday party in the garage. New distributor cap, directly from Korea, original for Le Mans. Look at this shit. Slam the new cap on, get these bolts in, and we're good. Now I also gotta do the starter solenoid, also got a new one, because it keeps missing and one day it's not gonna start anymore. So let's do that also, but I have to get under there, into the pit. Got the starter out, this thing's massive. Woo! Also follow us on Instagram, @EuroTrashLife. We'll start posting more shit, so follow us there. You'll see behind the scenes, like this stuff. I got fucked by the Koreans. So, here's the starter. And as you can see, there's no bolts on this. I've looked it up and this is pressed in. So you can replace this. And the solenoid I got has these threads here. So you can just bolt it on. And if you look on Google, most of these things come with bolts, but no, not mine, of course. So there is a replacement solenoid where you can drill this out and put bolts in, but I can't find it. This was the only solenoid I could buy, so I got fucked by the Koreans. So might as well just put it back together and, you know, whatever, as long as it's gonna work. Here's all the starter magic. This is the solenoid that pushes this fork. This thing pushes the teeth onto your flywheel. That's it, and this is the motor which slams into this end and spins it. That's pretty much everything there is to a starter. Hopefully it's gonna work for a while longer, then might as well just swap the engine. It's cheaper than a starter motor for these things. Okay, threw the starter back on. What a pain in the ass. Let's see if it starts anymore. Starts up. No, it doesn't start anymore. What the fuck? Did I flood it? Or what? What the fuck? Starts up once, now it's dead. What the fuck? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, I guess it works now. I guess I just flooded the fuck out of it by restarting it immediately. Stupid piece of shit. Okay, this works okay. Let's try again. It's fine. Just leave it at that. I guess it works now. I started it up a couple of times and it's fine, so whatever, I'm getting sick of this shit. I'm about to go buy another car or something, I don't care. Or, yeah, I should put this one together. Start driving it. It's almost done, so... Still gotta do the brakes on that thing. I really don't want to do that. I got a nice package from Autodoc, of course, like always. Got a timing belt, which is, I searched up this number, which is exactly what's on my car right now, if it's focused there. And for some reason it's for a Citroen, so whatever, if it works. And I really don't want to do a timing belt, but whatever. Got a nice little brake rebuild kit. Got all the seals, got new pistons, even though my pistons might be perfect, but whatever, I bought them, so I guess we have to change them. Also got one of these belts for the alternator and new Brembo brake discs. So I guess we'll replace the caliper pistons. I managed to push it back in. It was pretty easy actually, so I guess it's fine, but now I have new pistons, so it's kinda stupid not to use them. And hopefully if I squeeze this brake line it's not gonna explode, and so annoying. Took out the brake piston. It's not bad, it's not rusty, it's just a little chunky, a little rusty oil. Piston's still good, but I have a new one, buy later. And just a little clean up, sand down, and new seals, and then we'll throw it on, do the other side. So be right back.
So how is your life going?
Great, I just removed all of this. There's like a stupid metal ring that holds the dust boot on, so you get that off. You put the new piston in, put the new one on, and it's good. So it's pretty simple. We also put the seal in there. We'll do that right now. Let's go. This damn seal is giving me a huge problem. It's got this metal O-ring, so put the caliper in the freezer. Is it cold? Okay. And then we're gonna heat that up and hopefully it goes together. It's super annoying. Still putting this stupid seal on this stupid caliper. This won't go over, this ring that goes on here. Not heating up.
It's like 1 hour later, but still same problem.
This sucks.
No, still nothing.
You just can't.
Okay.
Now we're extracting the old fluid. Let's see what it is.
Let's check the color.
Oh, beautiful
no.
blue, green, whatever the hell this is.
It's
Ew.
like, what the fuck?
It's like shit.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
This is gonna be refurbished.
So thanks for doing that while I wait. So yeah, stupid Daewoo. I rebuild the calipers now. Just gonna do pads someday. I still gotta do the timing belt, and I really don't wanna, because it's a lot of work and I don't have any impact, and you have to remove the crankshaft pulley. So yeah, whatever. I've been thinking maybe I'll sell this. I don't know. We'll see.
Let's check 2 months before. Ooh, this is a wonderful car. I will keep it for a few years. Or...
It's good for 3 months. No, but really, this is way too slow. So I don't know. Maybe I should keep the Calibra. Maybe I should keep this. I was thinking maybe buy a Saab for a daily. Or should I buy an E30? How about that? So let us know in the comments, and I'll buy whatever you say. Let's say that. What do you think?
No!
Whatever they say, I'll buy it. Even if it's a Fiat Multipla, I'll buy it. Not just kidding, not that, but you can choose between Daewoo, Calibra, Saab, and BMW. No.
No?
No. I don't know if you can see that shit, but that's like crap floating in the brake fluid now that's coming out, so. No, look at it, there was like big chunks. Not cool, so. Luckily we're changing. Now we're gonna keep pumping. Got it back on the ground. I'm sick of working with this shit. We've been doing this for a bunch of hours now. Now we're gonna go test the sunroof. JK, it's winter, we can't do that, so we're bleeding the hell out of the brakes. Everything went fine except for this wheel. There were air bubbles coming out of this. We literally spent a liter of brake fluid and there were still bubbles, so the pedal is stiff, so fuck it, it's good. And it was good before, so I don't know why there's bubbles now. So now we're gonna go for a test drive and I guess it's okay. And that's it, because I'm sick of working on this shit.
Maybe it's a less ride.
Yeah, less ride for the Daewoo. Okay, I guess this is it for this video. We bled the brakes, we replaced all that, and the bleeding didn't go too well. I guess the bleeder's kind of leaking, so whatever. The brakes are okay, I'll replace the pads and that. We'll do the timing belt some other time, so that's pretty much it. We gotta work on some other stuff, so enough with the Daewoo shit, because I hope nothing else breaks. But you never know, so let me know what you think about the other choices I have. Maybe we can change it up and get some other car, I don't know. So yeah, follow us on Instagram and like this video.